G-Mix. I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. I got my food stamps, I got a government cheese spread like mad cow disease. Chris Young got Welch's grape with a little vodka, and I don't wear no babes, I'm broke. Said I don't wear no babes, I'm broke. But if I want waves, I got a do-rag. You can see who's super bad, I got skills. Aluminum foil on my gums, I can't even afford those grills. But I got some blunts and Swisher Sweets. Tonight's a hood night, wanna dance with me? Mwah.
Tonight's the night, let's live it up.
What?
I got my money,
Nah,
let's spin it up.
I spin yo.
Go out and smash it, like oh my god.
Oh my God.
Jump out that sofa, let's kick it.
Like, girl, you got a Prada bag, he got a Louis rag. I got an empty pocket, oh shit, I just found some swag. Can we roll it with your paper? If you drive me home, I swear to God, you gon' want to take the HOODNIG double A. You up in trouble, I figure every dude in the club is rich, but I am still the shit. When I have a hood night, it's better than a good night, but don't step on that nigga's shoes, cause that would be a hood fight, and you don't really want it. I came from the block, my spot sorta looked like a boondock, but I had to leave.